So Tasty Bites is a global food truck franchise. So they're scaling rapidly from 450 to over 1,100 food trucks, and they're aiming to triple their revenue. They really want to improve everything that they can, their supply chains, their sales, their customer retention. And for that, they're going to need really good data, really good live data. And right now, all their data is siloed. So I think it's done regionally, and it's siloed with like a 24-hour cycle for how it gets dumped to a data warehouse, and then the data engineers can do whatever they need to do with it from there. So what they would like is a unified strategy to actually help them make quick decisions, maybe even automate a lot of these decisions, especially when it comes to things like pipelines and supply lines and things like that. And the manual route is just too slow for them. So what we want to do is we want to see how can we really help them using Calibo. And what we want to do is show how Calibo, which is a scalable platform, is going to really help them with pretty much everything right now. And even that is just showing a subset of what Calibo does. Awesome. So what I'm going to do in the demo, I kind of split it into two things. There's going to be half where I'm going to just talk about stuff. I don't want to do slides, so I'm still going to talk about the real platform and walk you through it. And then I am going to do a live build of an actual pipeline just from scratch, just so you can see exactly what it takes. And I want you to see just how simple it is. Awesome. And so on the tail, what we're going to talk about is Calibo is a scalable data platform, the concept of portfolios and products and what those are and why. And then with the products, how we actually encompass the entire development lifecycle, going from everything from creating milestones and release trains and things like that, all the way to dependencies and your teams, how you can actually architect your teams for that specific products, along with a data lineage map, traceability map, and then the 4Ds, where we're actually going through define, design, develop, and deploy, which is how we actually do the process of executing your code. And then, of course, what you can do with a fully built pipeline. Then for the live demo, I'm going to build a brand new pipeline. We're going to have some data governance where I can pull in and to exclude some PII, which will be coming from an S3 file. We can publish and run it. We're going to do a quick little click dashboard that'll actually connect that data so we can actually do a data visualization. And as well, I'm going to show you how to connect to an AI ML model, which will deploy to like Jupyter notebooks. And then maybe even look at how to deploy a custom front end and where we can use React and using that same data. So kind of 3 different options of what you want to do with the data. And again, if you have any questions, jump right in. Awesome. So here we go. I'm going to start in Calibo, and this is just my dashboard.